The only prior experience I had in computer programming was a semester course I took in my 100 series for engineering. It was like C++ programming. And then I took like a little course on MATLAB scripting. But besides that, no prior experience with like developing mobile apps. I had been working with the Shake Table for a little bit, trying to make it so that you could remotely use like a computer to run some experiments. My advisor, Professor Zhang, was pretty interested in seeing if we could develop that for your mobile phones. So that's kind of how it all got started. So we implemented the RSTLab in a senior level structural dynamics course. A lot of people who had previously taken that course, were like, where was this like when I was taking it, that sort of thing. The people who did use the RSTLab, most of them seemed pretty excited about it or being able to actually conduct an experiment remotely, and so it was always good to hear their feedback. Our development platform uses Lua for the scripting language and XML. I actually wrote the code in Visual Studio, so those are some like the software tools. Having no prior experience, so it was a little daunting at first, but picking up how to write apps within qdex was pretty straightforward. I think one thing that was really hard for me was to learn how to troubleshoot problems that were happening within the apps. So where you're not actually getting like a bug, an error message popping up, the app isn't behaving the way that you thought it would. We had an issue where kind of like interfacing with the actual Shake Table, so like sending a command and actually having it move and start sending data back. The troubleshooting aspect is something that you can almost take anywhere. If you have a lot of things that could be causing the problem, just kind of isolating which one is going to cause that issue. Just making sure that you're looking at that specific part and then kind of bringing it all together to make sure that the final product is all working the way that you think it should.